And welcome back. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I'm Riley. I'm BLG. I'm upside down lefty. We're gonna play mini golf. This is what the hell? This is Game Party 3. On the Wii system, an older game from like 2009 or something. Made kind of by the same people that made the bowling game that you've been watching. So let's get into this. It's a one player. Well, you can play up to 4 people, which is fun. Me and Red used to dominate this game. You remember this game, Red? Yes. But I haven't played it in a long time. Let's get into a game of mini golf. A little Wii game, people. Look at me, I'm a little me. I'm an invisible little me, but let's try this. Oh wait. Whoa. Okay, cool. Trying to get this up in the hole. Oh, come on. Nope. Son of a bitch. Alright, we're gonna go bogey or something. Humphrey Bogart. I'm trying to get used to how to use this remote with this game again. It's really strange. Right is left, left is right. It's all reversed, and I don't know why they do that. Ha! Gonna hit. Whoa! No, shit. I hate this hole. I think it's a par 3 or something, and I can't usually make it. Left is right, BLG. Concentrate. Oh, come on. In and out? Really? That's a burger joint out west. What the fuck, man? Get in the hole. Hey, there we go, par. I will take that. Yes. We're doing good, folks. We're doing good. What the hell is on my arm? Alright. Now I just need to get up here. And not come back. Stop. Stop on up there. Stay up there. Noise. That's what we're looking for. Now, I just need to get over here. I'm going to try to clear the corner. Oh, shit. You're telling me I didn't clear the corner. Well, crap. Can I bank shot it up a little bit? Up it goes. Looking good. I'm happy. That's not a bad shot. Put it over here. Boink. This thing kind of seems to want to read. Nice par. This thing kind of seems to want to read the controller when it wants to. Of course, I need new batteries too, kind of. So, you know, it's a give and take situation, folks. It's a give and take. I believe I will take another beer. Yes, because I like beer. Alrighty, let us get this. Gotta do my little voodoo thing on the beer top. This is a par 2. Okay. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Yes. Stay there, baby. Oh, such luck. Right is left, which is really screwed up. There we go. I keep forgetting that. What the hell is the curtain blowing up in your face for? No, don't do that. It was supposed to storm all day or something. And nothing happened. It hasn't done shit. I'm trying to tuck the curtains up, folks. Hang on, give me a second. Come on, tuck up in there, will you? Please? Work with me. Work with me. Yes, okay. Here we go. What is this? Oh, it's the little weird bridge thing. I think it's a par 4 or something. I don't know. I'm not very good at this one. It's going to go way over there. But take that shot. If you get over the bridge, you're happy, okay? Left turn to turn right. Can I hit that? Well, I kind of can, actually. I'm going to try it. All else fails, it's going to line me up better. Okay, here we go. Here we go, folks. Going for the hole. The gold! Nope. Alright. It's not horrible. I kind of like the graphics. They're kind of cartoony, Scooby-Dooby looking, kind of cool graphics. Give it a tap. Too hard. It didn't read me that time. That's all fine. Alright. Tap it in. Just tap it in. Just come on. Thank you. Oh, I parred. I'll take par. Hell yeah, I'll take par. Doing good. We're doing good, folks. We are not doing bad at all. I'm going to hit it hard. From back here, it goes down the hill, hopefully towards the hole. And we are going to get some kind of an animal out of this shot, I think, if it'll read me. Look at that lava. That's pretty cool. It's fakey looking, but it's pretty cool. Tap it in there for a birdie. Like that. Alright. Bang. Smack the crap out of this. Bounce it as far as you can. You need to get around this corner as far as you can, I think. Man, I haven't played this in probably 3 years. Maybe 2 years. Can I aim at that? Ooh, I think I can, guys. Pan! Get in there! Yes! Birdie! Thank you! Thank you very much! This is a par 4. This one's kind of weird. This one is really kind of weird. You can really screw yourself or you can do something. And I don't know what I'm going to do. Hopefully I'm going to do something. Yes! Stop! Stop! No! I didn't want that per se, but it's not horrible. It's really not that horrible. Kind of give it a little tap. Let it come back. This is a par 4, so we're working on it. Alright. I'm going to hit it there. Bang! Up and around it goes. Let it bounce around. See, that could have went in for a 3. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Hit her again. Get in the hole, bitch. Tap me in. Get in there. Oh, you kidding me? Look at this shit. There we go. Damn it. I had it. I had it. No, the 9th hole was pretty easy. Aim straight at it and just whack the crap out of it. It's going to go in. It's a par 2, but it's going to go in. 27, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Think we can beat it? Let's try. We'll do another one real quick. It doesn't take that long, right? Oi! This one I think is a par 2. That's not bad. Take it. Stop. 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 Take it. Look at this dude over there. What the fuck? That's me. What am I doing over there? See that guy? That's me. Why am I cheering myself on? Oh boy. Yeah, tap it in. Yes, par. Yes, we're doing good, folks. We're doing good. Oh God, I hate this hole. Come on, get in there. Yes, I don't have to do it. I got a hole in one on that one. Yes. God, I hate that hole. Try to get up the hill. Nice and easy here. Come on, up the hill. That's all I need. Now get down the hill. What is it? No, left is right. Left is right. Okay. I just want to get down the damn hill. I don't need up and down and whatnots and sideways. I need to line up with the hole. That's what she said. No? Anyway, let's see if we can get in here. And get it. Nope, nope, nope. Too soft, too soft. Don't go over there. No! Damn it. Can I still aim at the hole? Yes, I can. And get up there. At least get up there. I might take a screw on this hole. Damn it. What are you looking at, you weird looking me? Oh boy. Weird looking bastard. Yeah, I took one over. Shit. Okay, well, this one's part 2. You can go 2 different ways. I like to do this one and just kind of try to get past this blocks. Like that. Just get past the blocks. Everything else kind of slopes at the hole. Tap it in. Boom. Par. Just like so. Hello. Here we go. Ha-ha. Okay. I'm just going to tap it up over here and hope it goes over and down. Yes. You wouldn't believe how hard that shot is, folks. It ain't easy. Now I'm just going to shoot over here. And aim at the hole. Ooh, damn near, damn near. Okay. I like that water. That's kind of weird. For cartoon water, that's pretty cool. I like it. And the grass and all that. Look at that lava over there. I like the look of this. It's really fun. You know. Boink! Get in the hole, you bitch! Oh, eagle! That's one of them birds. Hell yeah, we're doing good now. Hole 6. I'm gonna go. I don't know where to go. Right about there. Hey, whack it. I'm gonna hit hard. See if it goes over and down the hill. Please at least get to the hill or stay there. Don't come back. See that little arrow? It's right. Oh, I can't point at it. There's a little arrow pointing behind me out of my butt. Right there. That means that the slope, the turf is sloped that way. Not cool. And get point. Down the hill we go. Over towards the hole. Close enough. I'll take it. I mean, it's not perfect. And yes, that's a par. Folks, we're doing great. Hole 7. We got 2 to go. 2 to go. What are we going to do on this one? I'm going to aim right. Chop. And I'm going to hit the crap out of it. As long as this thing is reading me okay, I can play okay. Let's go left is right. Oh, I can't aim at the hole. Look here. Look here. Hey, point. Too hard. Damn it. Too hard. Right over it, but that's okay. I'm drinking beer all day and I'm getting excited. Well, not that kind, you know, but play games. Hey, you point. Too soft. Stomp on the floor or something. Par, baby. Par. Now we're talking about a good-looking game. I'm going to try over here again. Where the boot? There. Hey, kapoik. Just trying to get past this first little bit and try to stop right there. Stop. You see what that does? Now, I can aim at that. And boink. Boink, boink. That's only 2 shots, and I'm right here. Now, if this thing will read my frickin' controller right, I'm going in under par. I can beat. No, it can't. Alright, that's fine. I'll take par. I have no problem with that. Look at this. Boink. Get in there, you bitch. Hell yeah, and I can hold and win this one every time. So can you. If you got this game, it is House Party. What is it? Game Party 3. And you just hit it. Hard as you can, soft as you can, whatever. It'll go in. And look at there, folks. We just shot us 24. That's a good game. That's a good game for this. It's a very good game for this. There's more games on here. There's people from way back in the day that have played it. But, just figured I'd have some fun. I'm playing games that are old. I don't care. I don't really have anything to cook right now. You need to watch my Oreo cookies. You need to like. You need to subscribe. If you're liking what you're watching, my views are going up. But nobody wants to hit the little like buttons and hit the subscribe. I need subscribers. Let's go for the subscribers, okay? But let's have some fun. Hands off BLG. Right, ciao. Talking at you and signing off for the day. Y'all have a good one. I hope you enjoyed the episode. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. And I am Righty. And we will see you right back here. Next exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. Good night. Keep watching, damn it. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.